Okay, here's another problem where we're going to be dividing a polynomial by a monomial. But in this case, we have more than one variable. But again, it's no different than what we were doing before when we had a single variable, as long as we keep track of what we're doing. Okay, so let's see. This notation, if you notice, it just says we have this one polynomial divided by another. So we can rewrite it as minus or negative 13 u to the fifth z to the sixth plus 12 u to the third z to the sixth, and I'm going to divide that. Remember, the fraction bar is also a symbol for division, and we have a negative 2u to the fourth z to the fifth. Okay, so again, this is just one term, right? So that's a monomial, and I'm going to put that denominator, and I'm going to pair it with each numerator. So I have a negative 13 u to the fifth z to the sixth divided by negative 2u to the fourth z to the fifth, and I'm going to have plus a 12u to the third z to the sixth all over negative 2u to the fourth z to the fifth. Okay, so let's see what we have. Now if I want to simplify this, first I know a minus divided by a minus is going to give me a positive, right? So that's going to be positive 13 divided by 2. That doesn't go evenly, so I'm just going to leave it as a 13 over 2. But I know that the sign has changed, it's become positive. If I look to see what I have as far as common bases go, I see I have a u to the fifth and a u to the fourth. So this part here I can simplify. And what I like to do is, if all my exponents are positive, I look to see where the largest exponent is. So wherever the largest exponent is for my u is where the variable is going to stay. And so I notice that 5 is bigger than 4, right? So I know my u is going to stay up top. And then all I do is I just do a subtraction. 5 minus 4 gives me u to the 1. Okay. Same thing for my z. So the next part is I have a z, right? Z to the sixth and z to the fifth. So I know that my z is going to have to stay on top because 6 is bigger than 5. And I do the subtraction. I have a z to the 1. Okay, let's do this next one. So I have a positive 12 divided by a negative 2. That's going to give me a negative 6, right? So that's a negative 6. And then I have my u's. I have a u to the third on top and a u to the fourth on the bottom. So I know my u is going to stay in the denominator, and 4 minus 3 is 1, right? So it's positive 1. And then again, let's do my z's. So I have a z to the sixth, z to the fifth. So I have z is going to stay up top, and I do the subtraction, and z to the first. So if I simplify it, I have 3uz over 2 minus 6z over u.